So it's been a while since I've made a video, mostly because I've been trying to be a good adult and haven't really had time to, but also because I wrecked my E30. So it took me a little while to figure out what to do to it. My original idea was to pull it straight, and I tried doing that 3 different ways, and it just would not work. It was bent too bad. The frame and the trunk was bent too bad, and there were cracks in the metal. It was too bad. I mean, it wouldn't pull straight. So then I decided, well, it's a race car, right? So I cut everything out of the back. And this is how it sits right now. Line through there, and then cut all this out, and cut all this out. I mean, I got carried away. So then I decided that I would tube frame the back end of it. Now, I actually just got the tubing in today, and now that I look at it, I really don't want to mess with it. It's just too far gone for me, for what I want. So along with destroying the back end of the car, I also destroyed the shifter linkage. So I'm going to fix this part, mostly because I think I'm going to sell the E30, and people like to buy vehicles that you can physically drive around. I think I'll have a better chance of selling the car, even with the back end ripped out, if it can drive. So I'm just going to weld this back together and drive it, because right now it's stuck in second. If you're a fan of things that are rigged, how's that for some riggage? It works. So I sanded it down. I'm gonna try and line them up and tack them together, and hopefully that'll work. So here's the final product. Looks okay, I guess. I painted it black so it wouldn't rust, and yeah, I'm gonna go put it in now. So the linkage is back in, but there seems to be another problem. I got the brake on, the clutch all the way in, and I don't know what's going on. It seems to be still stuck in second, but I can't find any other gears. What the heck? I guess I shouldn't have grounded it down because it broke. It kind of broke in different spots though. The weld's right there. It broke right here. I welded this up last night. I added like a small piece of metal there to strengthen it. Hopefully this doesn't break. I guess that was a waste of time. Seems like the transmission is actually messed up. Won't come out of gear. Clutch is still working. Well, that's probably the end of E30 videos. I'm probably done with E30s for a good while. So next project is either S13 or a C10. It'll probably be the S13 first though. I want to get back into drifting as quick as I can. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I can start putting out some more videos pretty frequently again. It's been a while since I've uploaded one. What are you doing? Want to say bye to the camera, buddy? Come on. Oh yeah. Bye!